Alright, y'all, I'm gonna show you how I curl my hair. I fell asleep and I had it wrapped, but the bonnet and the silk head wrap, it fell off. But anyway, so I got my hair cut for my birthday. I just turned 40. And I got it done October 29th. Today is November 14th, I believe. So she did a color and cut. I just been wrapping it, and I just want to show you guys how to curl your hair. Like I said, I fell asleep. I had it wrapped, but oh well. But I was going for white, but this is the closest she can get without over processing my hair. And yeah, so I like to use I have some Hot Tools flat irons. They old, you can tell, but they still do its job, you know. And Dugrow has this hair polish shine mist that I like to use when I curl my hair to add a little shine to it. You know, just to give it a little shine, you know, when you have color in your hair. And I did use the Echo coconut oil gel to gel my hair down because my hair is growing back. And yeah, I used that to slick it down, but I did the little slick down last night. And like I said, then I wrapped my hair and I tied it down, but when I woke up this morning, the head scarf was off my bonnet. But what I like about the gel is when after you slick it down, and you can brush it a little bit, and it kind of bring back out the little the platinum. I am gonna have to go to the barber shop soon, so she did a good job, but you know, I like a barber to do the actual cutting of my hair, so I'm gonna have to make an appointment soon. Anyway, I take a comb and a brush, and I just brush the mist through my hair. And that's a hard brush. And then I start from the back. I like to start from the back and in the corner right here. I just take my rat tail comb and I start, and I have my degrees on, it's on 400 degrees, like juvie. And I just take it and add a bump. So once I add that bump, I just move it out the way. And then my hair is growing back already, guys. My roots is getting dark already. And I just take it piece by piece. Gonna add a bump like that. And I do this all the way through until I have all the curls that I want. I like the flat look sometimes, but sometimes I like the feathered look. So we're gonna see. I have to get ready to go to the store. I need to buy some laundry detergent and some dish detergent, because you know, as you clean your home, and I need to buy some more. I like the Mr. Clean. I forget the scent, but it's a turquoise color. It smells really good. I gotta get some bleach. But yeah, so this is how I do my hair. And it doesn't take that long. It takes me about 15 to 20 minutes to get the look that I'm looking for. So this video isn't going to be that long, but I'm going to show you the steps all the way through. As I get closer to the bottom, I really don't want my curl too tight, so I kind of start having a loose curl towards the end. And I'm going to show you in a minute how the back look when I finish curling. See? Just a little bump. Once I did the back part, I get started on this side, the front side. And I just kind of do the same thing that I did in the back. And my hair, the only chemical my hair has in it is this bleach. I don't have a relaxer. And I always wear braids and a wig, but I wanted to do something different for my 40s. And I wanted to wear my natural hair. The only thing about natural hair is you have to take care of it, or you have to style it every day. But that's why I kind of went with a shortcut instead of leaving the length that I did have. Because I had some length, y'all. I had to shave my hair off last year in May because I had broke my fingers, so I couldn't braid my hair under the wig. But as you can see, I'm starting to get a little fancy again, a little tighter with the curl towards the front. And I washed my hair the other day. So instead of sitting under the dryer like I did at the shop, I just blow dried it. And then I added heat to it. Then I wrapped it. And then that's what I try to do every night, or whenever I sleep, because I work at night. But I bumped it. And then I wrapped it. And then when I woke up the next morning, it came out pretty good. I kind of want it a little loose in the front because I don't want it too curly. But see, I'm almost done adding heat. I'm gonna have to get a different type of comb too, because I only have the rat tail comb. But I like the wide tooth comb and the effect that it gives when you curl it, when you comb out your curls. All right, so here go my curls that I have right now. I'm sorry, y'all. I hope y'all can still see. Okay, stuff is falling. So then I just take the rat tail and I just take my fingers, just finger through. And then like I said, I do take the end of the rat tail comb and I try to give it that type of feathered look. That's why I need to get the other type of comb, because the other type of comb give it the rake that your fingers are doing, but a better look. So yeah, so then I just play around with it until I get the look that I want for the day. And yeah, I think I like this look for the day. Let me get around to the back so you guys can see the back. And you see how it's just a simple tweaking with my fingers. But like I said, if I had the other comb, would be a little different. You can see that my roots are getting dark again, and I did get my hair cut a couple of weeks ago, so that's why it's going back in like that. But yeah, so you see, it took me probably less than 15 minutes. It probably took about 7 minutes. I did have this part gelled down last night. It's still looking kind of crunchy, but because I have wavy hair. But I love the cut overall, though. The cut overall is nice. It's simple. It's a simple keep. And I love it. So I'm going to go back on my side right here because I saw that it was looking kind of spacey. And just fill it in like this. And this is my look for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. And I hope you can achieve whatever look that you're looking to achieve with your shortcut. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.